You want to change your Ltd company name in the UK? Whether you've rebranded or simply decided that your original name no longer fits, this step-by-step guide will show you how to update your company name through Companies House. If you want to skip the hassle with changing your company's name, First Formations is here to help you. Here's how it works. First Formations takes care of everything for you. They prepare and file the necessary NMO1 form at Companies House and also provide all essential documents including your resolution, meeting minutes and a certificate of name change, all for just $69.99 plus VAT. What sets them apart is how simple they make it. In their website, you navigate to Services, Company Services, and select Company Name Change. Then you select Buy Now, you fill out the order form and complete payment. Within 1 to 2 working days, you'll receive your documents via email. Simply sign the forms and post the special resolution to Companies House. First Formations will handle the rest by filing your name change request electronically. After that, expect your name change to be approved within 1 to 2 days, depending on Companies House. You'll receive your certificate of name change via email and you're done. I've placed a link to First Formations website in the description below to get you started. It's an affiliate link, which means I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So, not only will you be simplifying your name change process, but you'll also be supporting my channel. Why wait? Start your company's new chapter today with First Formations. First of all, let's get clear on the basics. In the UK, you can change your company's name at any time after it's been incorporated. However, the change won't be official until it's registered with Companies House. There are 2 ways your company name can be changed. First is by passing a special resolution. This is the most common method. And the second is with permission from your company's Articles of Association, if your articles specifically allow it. When choosing your new name, you must follow all the naming rules set by Companies House. For example, you can't choose a name that's too similar to another registered company, nor can you use certain sensitive words without permission. Step 1. Passing a resolution. To begin, you'll need to pass a resolution to approve the name change. Most decisions like name change require a special resolution, which means that 75% of shareholders must agree to name change. The voting process is usually straightforward and can be done through a meeting where votes can be taken by a simple show of hands. Once the resolution is passed, you'll need to officially notify Companies House. Step number 2, filing the name change. There are 2 main ways to file your name change with Companies House. The first is online. The easiest and the quickest way to register the name change is using the Companies House online service. You can find the link to the online service in the descriptions of this video. For a standard service, it costs £20 and your name change will typically be processed within 3 working days. If you need it done urgently, there is a same-day service for £83, but you'll need to file before 3 p.m. for it to be processed on that day. The second option is by post. You can submit your name change via post using the NMO1 form. This method takes longer, but may be useful if online submission isn't possible. Whichever route you choose, you'll also need to submit the special resolution passed by your shareholders, as well as any additional documents required. Step 3. When does the change take effect? Once you've submitted your application, your new company name won't officially take effect until Companies House has registered it. When this happens, they will send you a certificate of incorporation on change of name, which will include your new company name and the date of registration. It's important to note that your original certificate of incorporation will not change. This document will always reflect the company's original name when it was first formed. Before you submit your name change, there are a few things to think about when choosing your new name. Do you want to include a location or a specific term that reflects your industry? Will you use an abbreviation for simplicity? Or should you incorporate your own name into the company title? Once you've settled on the perfect name, you can be confident that it will be updated smoothly by following these steps. And there you have it, a simple guide to changing your Ltd company name in the UK. Whether you're rebranding or just fine-tuning your company's identity, it's a straightforward process as long as you follow the right steps. Just a quick reminder before we wrap up. If you're ready to change your company's name, First Formations makes the process easy and stress-free. Simply follow the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching and good luck with your company's fresh start.